2024 Aston Martin Vanquish. Aston Martin has a rich history of building high-end, high-performance sports cars with engines in the front, but now it's betting that legacy on a mid-engine future that includes the next-generation Vanquish. This drastic change in philosophy is still a couple of years in the making, but we have a handful of juicy details and lots of hopeful speculation to keep us interested in the meantime. Although the new Vanquish will share its basic layout with the forthcoming Valhalla and Valkyrie hypercars, it won't be limited in production or cost millions of dollars. It will feature a new hybrid V6 powertrain that the company is creating in-house and plans to proliferate throughout its portfolio. With its engine now located behind the driver, and able to produce an estimated output of up to 700 horsepower, the 2024 Vanquish should be more of a match for competitors such as the Ferrari F8 Tributo and McLaren 720S. We know that Aston Martin has plans to introduce a trio of mid-engine models, which include the next generation of the Vanquish. Although we've only seen the Vanquish Vision concept that debuted at the Geneva Auto Show, and learned small details about Aston's forthcoming hybrid 3.0-liter V6, there's still a lot left to know about the 2024 Vanquish before it arrives in 2023. Pricing and which one to buy. We'd guess that the next-gen Vanquish will start around $300,000 when it eventually goes on sale. That's a far cry from the seven-figure price tags that will be attached to Aston's mid-engine hypercars, but it's still out of reach for the vast majority of enthusiasts. Although we can't say for sure, there's a good chance the next Vanquish could have a roofless version to compete against the retractable roof models offered by such rivals as the 720S. Engine, transmission, and performance. Aston Martin has confirmed that it will no longer be bolting an AMG-sourced engine into the Vanquish. Instead, the British automaker is developing its own power plant. While many specifics are still being kept under wraps, we do know that it'll be a new hybrid 3.0-liter V6 that could develop up to 700 horsepower. While this is the same engine that will power the upcoming Valhalla and Valkyrie hypercars, it will be a less extreme, less powerful, example in the Vanquish. While those limited production models are being co-developed with Red Bull Racing, Aston said it's developing the Vanquish alone. The company has also confirmed that the Vanquish will feature a bonded aluminum space frame instead of the carbon fiber tub that will be used on the company's hypercars. The lack of aggressive aerodynamic technology that adorned the concept suggests the Aston will be more of a grand tourer than its much more expensive track-focused siblings. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. Neither the EPA nor Aston Martin have said how fuel-efficient the Vanquish will be in the city or on the highway. When those estimates are announced, and when we have the chance to get behind the wheel, we will test it on our 200-mile highway fuel economy route to evaluate its real-world MPG. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The Vanquish nameplate will be entering new territory with the switch to a mid-engine layout. That means everything we've previously known about its interior has gone out the window, and our expectations for its new digs are solely based on speculation. We have heard that its cabin will be roomier than Aston's other upcoming mid-engine hypercars. Apart from the additional passenger space, it's hard to predict how the company will choose to outfit the Vanquish's cabin. There will no doubt be a vast amount of customization options, upscale materials, and racy elements throughout. If there's one thing we can say for sure, it's that the next generation Vanquish will go without the tiny back seat that was present on its predecessor. Infotainment and connectivity. We can only speculate about the infotainment system that might reside inside the Vanquish. While it could be similar to the setup found on the Vantage sports car, which boasts an 8.0 touchscreen that's primarily controlled with a rotary knob on the center console, we think the interface might be more advanced by the time the Vanquish goes on sale. If the Valhalla's infotainment system, or lack thereof, is any indication, Aston might start to focus more on the driving experience and less on built-in touchscreens and mainstream connectivity features. Safety and driver assistance features. The 2024 Vanquish will probably never be crash-tested by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, or the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IHS. However, Aston currently offers a handful of driver assistance technologies on some of its models, such as the Vantage sports car. That suggests the Vanquish could be available with safety features that include a 360-degree camera system and blind spot monitoring. Warranty and maintenance coverage. Although Aston Martin has a mediocre limited and powertrain warranty, and it leaves out complimentary maintenance altogether, the company does offer extended coverage plans for those who are willing to spend extra money. Limited warranty covers 3 years or unlimited miles. Powertrain warranty covers 3 years or unlimited miles. No complimentary, scheduled maintenance.